remarkable accomplishment as the inaugural college graduate from the IP, particularly the Badjao cultures. Fostering unity through education and igniting a beacon of hope for your communities, for her community's future. Her journey embodies the spirit of resilience, determination, and transformative impact of education in creating a more connected and equitable society. Given this 4th day of June 2024 at Southern Philippine College Incorporated, Labason, Zamboanga del Norte. Signed, Hermon Abaya, Program Coordinator, Socorro Lopez, Dean, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, and yours truly as the school president. Again, a round of applause to Ms. Kita Majer, the first Badjao to graduate in the municipality of Labason for a 4-year course.